So that is pretty much the best I can do with what is now the third version of my motion control rig, which is of course radio controlled and somewhat dodgy, so I'm playing some reverse drone footage in the background. We've got this Focke-Wulf Tamiya kit in the middle, and then an unholy mix-up of servos to move the fishing wire that is, attached to the model. I've got this little thing here that's just bent 3D printer film. I'll pause the video in the background. Not sure why a Nazi fighter is going above park in Europe somewhere, but a modern park at least. So yeah, the controls just done by a radio, and it's set up like the swash plate on a radio control helicopter, which lets me have like an attempt at being able to raise and lower the plane, but one of the servos refuses to move in the right direction, and I've got to still work out how to fix that. And also the yaw on this radio is broken, so to get it to turn you've got to use one of the knobs, so it's a bit janky, but you can turn it around. And then my speed controller's tried to blow itself up, so I haven't been able to wire the gantry yet, but this whole thing, there's a gear motor down there next to the XC60, and it's on a belt drive, and so the whole thing can move side to side. And so if I wanted to do like a, bank, put the ailerons on and then move it across, and it'd look very cool and very fancy, except I can't do that because the speed controller is a pain. Anyway, yep, there you go, another stupid little project.